Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Park the Ford Edge on level ground, set the parking brake, and switch off the ignition. Open the hood and disconnect the negative battery terminal for 30 seconds to prevent short circuits. Gather tools: a 10mm socket, ratchet, flat screwdriver, and nitrile gloves, plus a replacement H11 bulb for most models. Work in daylight or under a bright lamp. Allow the headlight assembly to cool at least 15 minutes before touching the bulb or housing to avoid burns and thermal shock to the new bulb. To reach the headlight bulb, remove any plastic engine cover clips or two 10mm bolts as required. This step usually takes 10 to 15 minutes. If the front wheel blocks access, turn it about 45 degrees and remove two plastic fasteners in the wheel well with a flat screwdriver. Locate the rubber dust cap on the back of the headlight, rotate it counterclockwise to remove, then unplug the electrical connector by pressing the release tab. Depress the metal retaining clip and carefully withdraw the bulb straight out without twisting. Install the replacement H11 bulb by gripping the plastic base only. Do not touch the glass with bare fingers, since oils cause hot spots and shorten bulb life. Insert the bulb straight into the socket until it seats fully, then rotate or press the metal retaining clip back into place. Reconnect the electrical connector and replace the rubber dust cap, turning it clockwise until snug. Reinstall any covers or 10mm bolts and hand tighten. Reconnect the negative battery, switch on headlights, and verify the aim and beam pattern.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.